Hi, my name is Jody McKenna. I'm a Diamond with Young Living and the co-founder of Wise House Oils. I'm super excited that you decided to take the plunge and join Young Living with a premium starter kit that has 11 awesome oils that will radically change your life. Our story begins with thieves, and I'm super excited to share that with you. You can find that on the About page of wisehouseoils.com. So let's get started. What do you do once your premium starter kit arrives? Well, you need to unbox it. So take it out of the box that Young Living sent you. And I also want you to take the plastic wrap off of this box, and I want you to lift the belly band, and we're gonna open and see what's inside. Now, this is where it gets great. So right here, you'll see there is a satin flap. I want you to lift this satin flap. It's slightly magnetized on the bottom. As you do that, you're gonna see that there's more inside. There's an envelope on top. There's your oils that has another satin flap, which reveals yet another hidden container. So, first off, let's get started. I want you to get the oils out of your box. What you're gonna do, take this out of your box. You'll notice on back there are flaps. These kind of like create that picture frame type support. So, pull the flaps together, push down on that top tab, and it creates the stand for which to prop your oils up. So we're just gonna leave those there while I have more to tell you. Inside that flap where you saw the lavender, there are a bunch of different pieces of paper. I want you to go through these and read these. If necessary, take it to your bathroom. Great bathroom reading, right? And I want you to go through these. You could even hang up some of these papers as you're learning how to use your oils. There's a lot of great information on here. Here's the Young Living Roadmap. This will tell you about Young Living retreats that are free. It'll tell you how to start a business. It shows you where the farms are. Now, do you have to start a business when you get your premium starter kit? No. But you do need to know that when your friends smell your oils and they see the difference that they're making in your life, that they're gonna want some of their own. So that's why it's really, really important that you know what your Young Living member number is, which was assigned to you when you joined Young Living. So make sure you wrote that down along with your 4-digit PIN. In fact, you might want to actually write that somewhere with a Sharpie in your box. Okay, now that we've got that settled, let's see what else is under here. So if I lift this up, I'm gonna find there should be 2 packets of Ninja. I accidentally drank one of mine. I want you to run and put this in the refrigerator. If it's summertime when you're watching this, I want you to put it in the freezer because this makes a great popsicle. So after it's frozen or after it's refrigerated, if it's refrigerated, you're gonna tear this off and just drink it straight up cold. If it's frozen, you're gonna need to cut it right here and then treat it like a popsicle. It is super yummy, and if you have kids, they're gonna wanna steal this from you. Yum, yum. Next, you're gonna find a bottle of Stress Away. Let's get started using the oils right away. So with your bottle of Stress Away, you'll find that there was this cap and then this like roller bottle. Well, this is to make your own roller bottles. Let's do that really quick because I want you using the oils right away. So I'm gonna unscrew the white cap. I'm going to take the plastic orifice top off. Stick the roller fitment on top. Now don't push it in or anything like that. Take your black lid and screw it on. And then at one point you're gonna kind of feel it gets a little tight, and then all of a sudden it gets loose, and that's when you know that your fitment is on, see? Instantly put this on. Rub your wrists together. Breathe in deeply. This is ready to go. Stick this in your purse, put this beside your bed, put this in your pocket. Use this oil often, especially when you're feeling stressed or you just need to calm down. This is gonna be your go-to right now. It's got a really pleasant, soothing aroma, okay? You're ready to go. You've already used an oil. Congratulations. Next, you'll notice that there are a bunch of cards in the bottom of the box that look like this. What the spank are these? Well, you'll also see that there are these amber colored things called drams. What are you going to do these? It's like a puzzle piece, right? Well, let me show you what you're going to do. you're actually going to take, well, you'll notice these cards are these are the like it, share it cards. So what you do is take that out, you're gonna punch it out, and then you're gonna stick the little dram through here. So what I did, you put oils right inside that dram, and then you're gonna take the lid, screw it back on, and then this is how you can share it with your friends, because remember, your friends are gonna see the difference in your life, and they're gonna wanna know about these oils and what you're doing with them and how they can get them. And then put your information on back, put your Young Living number there so that they can go home and order these themselves, or they can even sign up from their phone or your phone. It's that easy. Like it, share it, repeat. Because when you share about oils, then that gets oils into someone else's home, and that means that's one less chemical in their home, and that's better health for everyone. So I totally encourage you to share. That's what I did. I shared about thieves for several years, and that's how we got to where we are right now with a website, and I'm sharing a video how to do your unboxing. Okay, next you'll have oil sachets. I actually like to use these sachets. I stick these when I'm sending out note cards as like a thank you gift, or hey, I was thinking about you, and I stick this in there. Sometimes I'll even stick an empty dram in there and tell them to add, just to undo this, and there's about 10 drops in here, and stick it in there, and then that contains it, and then they can get about 10 uses out of their little oil in this cute sachet. So there's several different oils in here. Now let's talk about what you really want to know about your oils. So you should have already watched the video on how to use your oils. If not, go back to the previous lesson and learn how to use your oils. It's just really important because these oils will literally change your life. If you use them every day and you commit to using them every day, you're going to see a difference because they support your overall health and wellness, and even emotionally they support you, which we have behind the website a class on the feelings oils and why oils support you emotionally, why aromatherapy is so effective. But that's behind the website in the free private section that's just for you. So that reminds me, if you haven't registered for the Wise House Oils website yet and you're part of our community, then go ahead and register for your free access. So it's important, start using these oils. In the next lesson, you're gonna learn how to use your diffuser. So why don't you get that diffuser out, like click on the next lesson, get your diffuser out, set it up, and start diffusing. We diffuse all day long. In fact, I have a diffuser in every single room in the house. Some of them have two. Enjoy your kit. Oh, by the way, my diffuser is right up there. I'm in my schoolroom right now, so it's going. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and we're super excited to have you part of the Wise House Oils community.